Have you ever wondered how small changes in your behavior can make a big difference in how others respond to you? Understanding these simple psychological tricks can give you an edge in everyday interactions. From remembering names effortlessly to winning at rock, paper, scissors strategically, these tricks are based on psychology and can help you navigate social situations with confidence. Whether you want to make a lasting impression, negotiate effectively, or simply get someone to like you, these 20 tricks are practical, easy to implement, and can enhance your social skills in no time. Let's dive in and discover how you can use psychology to your advantage. Number 20, remembering names. Remembering someone's name can be tricky. A helpful trick is to repeat their name a few times when you first meet them. For example, if they say, "Hi, I'm Sarah," silently say to yourself, "Sarah, Sarah, Sarah." This repetition can make it easier to remember their name later on when you see them again. Number 19, making people agree with you. When you want someone to agree with what you're saying, nod your head gently while you talk. Nodding shows that you believe in what you're saying, and it can make the other person more likely to agree with you because they see that you are confident in your ideas. Number 18, creating a good first impression. A smile can make a big difference in making a good first impression. When you meet someone new, smiling shows that you are friendly and open. It helps the other person feel comfortable around you right from the start, and they are more likely to respond positively to you. Number 17, winning at rock, paper, scissors. Before playing a game like rock, paper, scissors, try asking a quick question to distract your opponent. When their mind is focused on answering your question, they might choose rock more often because it's a simple and quick decision. Then you can choose paper to win the game. Number 16, getting people to talk more. If you want someone to talk more, show them you're interested by nodding and making small sounds like or "I see" while they speak. This encourages them to keep sharing their thoughts and feelings with you because they feel that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say. Number 15, improving your memory. To remember things better, use the chunking method. Break information into smaller parts that are easier to remember. For example, instead of trying to remember the number 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, break it into smaller groups like 1, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This makes it simpler for your brain to process and recall the information when you need it. Number 14, making group decisions. When you have an idea or suggestion in a group, share it confidently. People are more likely to agree with your suggestion if you show that you believe in it. Your confidence can influence others to support your idea, and it shows that you have thought about it carefully. Number 13, getting someone to like you. To build a connection with someone, try mirroring their body language. If they are sitting with their arms crossed, you can subtly mimic their posture. Mirroring their gestures can make them feel more comfortable around you because it shows that you are similar to them in some ways. Number 12, calming your nerves. If you feel nervous in a stressful situation, try chewing gum. Chewing gum tricks your brain into thinking that you are calm because chewing is something you do when you're relaxed, like when you eat. It can help to reduce your anxiety and make you feel more at ease. Number 11, asking for something big. When you need something important, start by asking for something even bigger. When the other person says no to the big request, ask for what you really need. They may be more likely to agree because your real request seems more reasonable in comparison. Number 10, dealing with anger. If someone is angry or upset with you, staying calm and speaking in a calm tone of voice can help diffuse their anger. Lowering your voice can make it easier for them to calm down too, because it's hard to keep yelling when the other person remains calm and composed. Number 9, making people remember you. Using someone's name in conversation can make a positive impression and help them remember you. For example, say, "Nice to meet you, John." Using their name shows that you value them as an individual and can help strengthen your connection with them. Number 8, getting help from others. When you need assistance from someone, ask for their help directly by saying, "I need your help." People often feel good about themselves when they can lend a hand to others, and they are more likely to assist you when you ask openly and politely. Number 7. Building trust quickly. To build trust with someone new, try matching their tone and speed of speech. If they speak quickly and energetically, try to do the same. Matching their communication style can create a sense of connection and understanding, making them feel more comfortable with you. Number 6. Encouraging honesty. If you want someone to be honest with you, ask a question and then wait quietly for their response. People often feel compelled to fill the silence with truthful answers because silence can create a sense of discomfort. By giving them space to respond honestly, you encourage openness and trust in your conversations. Number 5. Negotiating successfully. When negotiating, start with a higher number or request than what you actually want. This makes your real request seem more reasonable in comparison. For example, if you want $50, ask for $100 first. The other person is more likely to agree to $50 after hearing $100. Number 4. Making a strong impression. When meeting someone new, pay attention to their eye color. This subtle detail shows that you are interested and paying attention to them. People appreciate being noticed, and it can help them remember you positively. Number 3. Enhancing your influence. When you need someone's help or approval, use their name in your request. For example, say, "Sarah, could you please help me with this?" Using their name shows respect and personalizes your request, making them more likely to respond positively. Number 2. Building rapport quickly. To build rapport with someone, find common ground or shared interests early in the conversation. This creates a sense of connection and makes the other person feel more comfortable with you. Shared interests can be anything from hobbies to experiences. Number 1. Boosting your confidence. If you feel nervous in a social situation, imagine that you are confident and calm. Visualizing yourself as confident can trick your brain into feeling more self-assured. Remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes, and it's okay to take a moment to calm yourself. Now that you've learned these 20 simple psychological tricks, try incorporating them into your daily interactions. Whether it's remembering names more easily, making a stronger first impression with a smile, or using mirroring to build rapport, each trick offers practical benefits for enhancing your social skills. Experiment with these techniques and see how they work for you. Psychology isn't just about understanding others. It's about improving communication, building connections, and making everyday interactions smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your social game. Remember, a little psychological insight can go a long way in making a positive impact on those around you. Thanks for watching.